Hello everyone, dear students from Government Adarsh Vidyalaya, RMSA, Bheemalli, Kalaburagi South. So my friend is going to tell the gallery's name.
So this is our Shakuntala Devi's mathematics gallery. So I would like to introduce our mathematics gallery. Welcome everyone. So firstly here we can see the maths in nature. As you can see this figure, it is in spiral. And next those are in the shape of triangle. And even our planet Earth, it is in the shape of sphere. And the starfish, we can see that it is in the shape of star, 5-shaped figure. Next, we'll come to Ramanujan's magic square. As you all know that this magic square, if we add any row, column, diagonals or corner numbers, we get the sum is 139. So next, and here you can see axioms, Euclid's axiom and tables book, which is done by our school students. Let's move further. Next, here you can see this cardboard, which is done by our school student. In this, she explained that how this magic square is. And next here, parts of circle. Next we come to this one is shapes. Let me introduce this plane shapes. One is pentagon, trapezium, kite, hexagon, triangle, square, rectangle and circle. And here you can see magic with numbers, cardboard, and later we shall come to the solid shapes. Here these both shells are of cube, and here it's cone, it's cuboid, cylinder, and it's pyramid. And upside triangle, hexagon, triangle, and pyramid. Later here it is the shelf of cone, cylinder, cuboid, and even here you can see the fraction bird, congruent figures, similar figures, and this. The main, we can see angles in the numbers. Angles in the numbers, it means number 1. Why it is named as number 1? Because in that only one angle is formed. So on to the other numbers. And if we look outside, we can see here divisibility rules. Next, algebraic identities. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This one and this all are the mathematical identities. And here outside there are the 2D shapes and numbers, chart from 1 to 100, and fractions, decimals, and percentage. As you can see here it is the fraction. This is in the decimal and this is in the percentage form. And this is half. In fraction form we write it 1/2, and in decimal we write it 0.50, and in percentage we write it 25%. Later my friend will introduce about the further.
So here are the cubic numbers, square numbers. Square numbers like 2 square 4, and cubic numbers like 3 cube, and we have shown here 3 cubic number is to the 216. And next 3 types of angles like obtuse angle, straight angle, complete angle, acute angle, right angle, and reflex angle. Like before she has said that the mathematicians like Sujata, Ramadhan, right, and so on. And also types of triangles, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, and so on. And here are some of the students of the school has written the tables. And if we go for outside, there are like point and line segment, ray, angle, intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, or parallel lines. Odd and even numbers. Odd numbers like 3, 5, 7. Even numbers like 2, 4, 6, and so on. And how to use a protractor. They have shown here how to use a protractor. Like the angle is 100 degree. They have shown the method how to use the protractor. And nextly Roman numbers. and also important for. And here is our mini library, and here we have 3D figures, formulas of value, lateral or curved surface areas formula, and total surface areas. And here are the Ramanujan's magic square numbers. If we calculate these all, we will get 139. The thing is here, 22 is the birth date of Ramanujan's, and 12 is the month, and 1887 is the year when he was born. And here are the best angles formulation to approach a problem is the triangle. And here for the National Mathematics Day, they have done a thing like plus, minus, into, and divide. And nextly, complete the square root spiral activity. And here is the triangle. And also here they have done National Mathematics Day. They have wrote about Srinivas Ramanujan, and nextly hexagon. And here are the fractional chart and math symbols like division, multiplication, and so on. And nextly, if we go for 2D dimensional figures, areas and perimeters. And here is the moving quadrilateral, hexagon. And here are some figures, parallelogram, kite, obtuse triangle, and so on. And nextly, here are rules. The first one is the last digit should be even, and so on. And nextly, if we move here, National Mathematics Day, they have told, they have wrote, we had a competition at the time the students done this. And here is the Pythagoras figure. And nextly, pentagon. And here are the Euclid's postulates, like a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point, and more. And here are the coins of the olden days, and plain geometrical figures, 3D shapes name, and properties of quadrilateral, types of triangles. And here is the oval, triangle, cubic, congruent circles, kite, cube. Here are also tables, and here are some figures. And if we have to see upside means, firstly there are exponent rules like product rule, a to the power x into a to the power y is equals to a to the power x plus y, and so on. And here is the pi, and mathematics. And here is a easy multiply tricks. And nextly the table. And here are the some hours that we have got. Firstly, it is the Maths Talent Search Examination School Award, and more. And here are the concentric circle, a circle. Here is the complex, real numbers, rational numbers, integers. And here is invisible maths and types of graphs. Here is our. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed.